Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're looking at the Vidorra Knox District in Dallas, Texas. And by the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm now about to go out into the pool. So let's check out this pool. This pool is beautiful. It is gonna be super cool and nice. Let's see if we can go out here. Yeah, here's how to get in there. And we'll go in there right now. Okay, very, very nice. And this is an outer courtyard area, some good seating that's here, and you can see there's some grilling stations that are over here. Those are pretty cool. Love seeing the grilling stations. And then there's some other chairs over here. I like it how there's kind of a lot of little areas to kind of chill that are separated. And then of course there's the pool. So this is a really cute pool. And you can see it's kind of an infinity kind of style. So an infinity style pool that's there. Very, very cool. Good feel. There's some chairs that are there on the end, or you can be in the water. And then there's also seating kind of on the side here. So this is what it looks like. The street is out right up there, so this is all first floor. And this is what it looks like. You can see the apartments right above it too, so it does have a really nice community feel. And that's the pool. Hey, if you have questions at any time, or are you ready for that virtual tour live or a live in-person tour, send a text. Now we're about to go check out the fitness center.